we are diving deep into the world of urban sketching and we are tackling some really cool Japanese inspired architecture. Alright, let's get sketching. Our reference today is this old rustic building in Kyoto. I always start by lightly mapping out the drawings with a few dots. This helps me figure out the composition and make sure that the building doesn't end up towering off the edge of my paper. Trust me, I've been there. And also, those dots won't be really visible after you've done sketching and added in the color. I'm working through the building from top to bottom and adding in the details as I go. Now for the inking, I'm using a waterproof pen, which is a uniball black color pen. I've linked those in the description below as well. Now keep those lines loose and flowing. Don't worry about making them perfect. I even like to go over the lines sometimes to give it a bit of a rough hand-drawn feel. Now let's add in some windows and those beautiful plants as well. Again, keep those lines loose and let your personality shine through with your own style and own inking methods. And finally, I'm adding some wooden slats for that authentic Japanese look as per the reference image. Try to keep those lines as straight as possible, but it doesn't have to be too perfect or parallel to each other. And that finishes our inking for this reference image. Now for the fun part, color. I'm using this awesome Meeden 42 watercolor set. It's got a great range of colors and it's super portable. You can stack it all together like this, and also it's got a place where you can put your pen sets and brush pens in the side as well. It's got a compact design. I'll link it down below if you're curious. I always start with a light wash of yellow or burnt sienna to cover the whole page and avoid any stark white spots. Then I gradually add in the darker colors. Now don't worry about getting the colors exactly right. The goal is to capture the feel of the building or the mood of the building. Now let's add some foliage with some vibrant greens. Again, mix up the greens in your colors to get the right foliage green color as per the reference image. I'm using a light green and a dark green at some spots. Even for the slats and the wooden timber color, try to use different browns so that you get different textures in the building slats and in the building elevation. And finally, I'm adding some deep shadows with a blue-black color for some added depth. And there you have it. Don't overwork it and let the painting breathe. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you have any questions or want to see me tackle another urban sketching challenge, let me know in the comments below. And as always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.